Hello, everyone.
So I'm supposed to look right in that light?
Right in that light.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, just making sure.
Quick announcement. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have a wonderful day today with your family, your friends, and pig out, right?
Pig out.
Well, only it's U.S., pigs? I guess. This isn't international, is it?
I want my little pot belly.
No pigs.
Send me a pot-bellied pig.
So we were like traveling too. We're leaving today.
Sometime today.
Well, you're seeing this on Thanksgiving. Today's the day before Thanksgiving for us. So we're going to go hang out with my parents for a few days. But I wanted to announce our very first, let's call it a Michelle's birthday / Black Friday sale on our eBay store. Are you nervous?
Yeah, because I'm going to be in there working my butt off.
He's going to have to work his butt off because of you guys. So I have initiated a discount code on our eBay store. It's good November 27th and November 28th only. That's it. 10% off of everything in the store. And you need to type in Michelle Gift 10 when you are checking out. So make sure you take advantage of that.
I didn't get anything like this on my birthday.
No, you didn't.
Why?
Were you going to spend money in our store?
I love all them guys too.
Oh, well, it's my birthday and I'm on camera more than you, so.
All right.
Sorry.
Bye.
So just a quick note, if you have anything in your cart and it's in there and you're not sure of when you want to check out, today might be a good day because it's only good today and tomorrow. When Friday's over, the sale is over. Michelle Gift 10 is your code. I think I don't even have any more announcements than that. Do you? We'll be back to work on Saturday. However, we are not going to be there. So if you notice, our store is on holiday. So our orders won't be getting fulfilled for a couple extra days. So if you can wait for those orders, those couple extra days, now's a perfect time. And there's no limit on how much you could buy or what you could buy. But if something sells out, then I can't help that.
Yeah, because this code is good for, it adds an extra $10 onto your bill.
Yeah, okay. The only thing I probably would sell out of is some of the glitters, but I can't give any kind of like, I don't know, discounts later for it because I have no way of keeping track of that. So get them while you can because when they're gone, and then I'll have to wait for reshipment, especially on the glitters. That takes me a little bit of time to get them in and to get them packaged. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Stay safe, stay out of the roads if you can, and enjoy your time.
Mwah.
Mwah.
You copied me. What do you want to copy me for?
Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.
Bye.
Glitz and glitter.